What's up, guys? Tommy at Monts Family Homestead. Hey, if you got any leftover shingles, leftover pallets at your house, let me show you a little something that might help you out. Low cost goat shelter. Hey, stay tuned with me. All right, what we did, took just 3 pallets, stood them up on the ends, on the sides, and screwed them together. Then put this top piece on here. But I'm going to take and put shingles on top of here, all the way across, all the way out. This being the east side, that way we don't get a lot of wind, we don't get a lot of rain out of the east. So goats should be good there. We're going to take and roof it. Yeah, I guess that's close enough. And then we'll come back and we're going to take this tarp to have a little extra cover over that. And then we'll probably cover this north side. Starting on the east side, we're going to lay one like you do on a house. And like I said, I am not a roofer. But lay this one upside down to start with. And then we'll come back and we'll go up that way. Now I'll have to give you a little bit here and there because my tripod is broken. So I can't hammer, nail, and do everything like that. I've tried to set this thing up the best I can, but my camera will not stand up. So my phone will not stand up. So anyway, I'll give you kind of a step-by-step as I go through. All right, first run is done. Leave a little bit of overhang. I've got like 2 inches of overhang just so the water will run off of here. Now the goats will be fine. They'll be back up into that territory up in there. These pallets are 4 feet wide. So these right here are 5 feet long. So they've got plenty of room. Like I said, I'm gonna put some hay and everything in there. We're just getting the roof on right now. So what we'll do is we'll come back in and we'll go line our corners up here. Because like I said, we've got 1.5 inches, 1.75 inches laid off here for the rain to come off here. And we'll come back. We'll tie this in. That way these splits in here, that's where the water will actually hit and also run off too. So like I said, I'll give you step by step the best I can. This is Southern style roofing. All right, starting out fairly decent. Now what we'll do, like I said, is on all your roofs, you will come back and cut this off just a little bit. I mean, that's on your roofs to your house if you got a tin roof, which I don't, my son does. And then we'll come, all these overlaps here, we'll come back and cut those off, make those smooth, make them nice looking. So there's the overview of it. Well, I've tried my best to strap my phone around this fence somewhere to my cow. But anyway, I hate that I did this, but there's no other way for me to do it. Like I said, nails. My son's at work. My daughter-in-law's at work. My grandkids are at school. My daughter's at work. So I'm by myself. Don't y'all feel sorry for me being by myself? Thought you might. But anyway, I think it's turning out fairly decent. Like I said, let me flip back around. Like I said, this being the west side here, facing the west, that's the south, east, that's the north. So we're gonna have a good top on it. And if you can see, if I get you back, that will run off. It's got from right here at this corner to that corner there is about 1.5 inches fall. And this is kind of going downhill. So this one actually falls about 2.5 inches. So the water's gonna shed off that way anyway. So we're good. But then I'm gonna take this tarp, wrap around it. I'm also gonna extend it over. I'll show you what I'm gonna do with that in just a second. Just to let you see, I do have the bottom shingle under here to the next, so I'm actually nailing this one with this shingle here, so they are together. I do know a little bit, just enough to probably get me in trouble. All right, got this finished up to the edge. I think that tool that you used for these is called a hawk bill. It's kind of shaped like that. It's sharp on the inside of it, and you go from one side and pull, and it actually cuts it up. But what I'm going to use is some 40-year-old tin snips, shears. Oh, boy. So let's cut this off. Like I said, I'll try it. Let's try it this way and see what happens. Now, like I said, I don't have a line chalk popped on this or anything like that. So, oh yeah, it's gonna work fine because you get about 3 layers of shingles. Then it's gonna get tough, isn't it? All right. We'll cut there, and we'll come right up under there. And like I said, I'm not building a $40,000 mansion. A $40,000 mansion. How about a $40 million mansion? You can't even get the concrete poured for $40,000 today. All right. Not working. All right, I'm gonna cut it off. Be right back. And just like that, it's done. You see a little wave right there, but I'm not, like I said, I'm not worried about this. All right, what we're gonna do is let's get this tarp. I'm gonna put it up here. We're gonna cover part of this side and most of the north side. And then we'll go over the top of this. I think I've measured right. I think it comes to about right here. So that way the wind or the water can't blow under here. That way give us a double protection. So let's get that done. All right, just got this kind of laid up there just for a minute. I did tack it just one spot right down there. I think what I'm gonna do with this is fold that under like that. Come down here, put those yeah, those kind of nails, tar paper nails. I think I'm gonna put some right here on this, and then right there, probably in that hole. That way it'll hold everything down. That way it'll keep rain from blowing in there. And I think what I'm really gonna do is, I've got another bundle of shingles at the house. I think I'm gonna take them. Gee whiz, Tommy, you are southern drawl today for some reason. I think I'm gonna take those, and go ahead and just come up the wall with those like that. Not overlap or anything like that. No, nothing like that. I think what I'll do is just come out and just come straight across, just like that, just to cover that up. And that'll keep them pretty well snug as a bug in a rug. And on this side, do the same thing. So fold that in the same way on that side. And when I get done, I'll give you a video real quick of the finished project. All right, got just a couple of nails, those right there that we need to get turned around. I'm not real good being ambidextrous. All right, just about midways there. And like I said, we're gonna continue with the shingles right on up, go right up under there. And I'm still thinking we may just leave this south side open. I don't know. I may come on up from the bottom a little bit just to keep enough wind off of them. Of course, summertime, you know, they're not gonna need all this anyway, but it gets pretty cool down here in Mississippi. Last night it was 21. Tonight it's supposed to be 21. Tomorrow night's supposed to be 23. Next night's supposed to be 23. High tomorrow's 39. So it does get kind of cool down here. Well, maybe this will keep them dry and warm and all snuggly and cozy. Anyway, hopefully so. Just to give you a little walk around there. I know it's not much. Better than what it was, though. Those two right there will be nice and happy. Won't you, Lily? That's it, Lily. Hey, Lily and Oreo. All right, let's get cleaned up. Hey, it's Friday night. Get to take my wife out to eat tonight. Guys, I want to thank you for watching Monts Family Homestead. I hope it inspired you a little bit to maybe save a little money or use some things around the homestead that you got. Hey, thank you for watching. God bless you. Have a great and wonderful weekend.